Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about quadratic functions. So we're going to start off with this. We're asked to find the values of y when x equals the following. So we're just going to plug this in for x's. So negative 2 times 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 1. 0 squared is 0. 0 times negative 2 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. And then plus 1. Add those together and we get a 1. So y equals 1 in that situation. Okay, now we're going to plug in a 2. So we get negative 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 1. 2 squared is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Times those together, we get 6 plus 1. These together make 7 minus 8. So that means y equals negative 1. And the last one, we'll plug in negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 2. Negative 18 minus 9 plus 1. Negative 27 plus 1. Negative 26. And so y equals negative 26. Okay? Next one says determine whether the given point satisfies the quadratic function. Okay, so what this means is if we plug in 2, our answer should be 16. So if we plug in 2, so 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 does equal 16. So we say yes. Okay, same type of question. Okay, if we plug in negative 3, our answer should be 1. Alright, so negative 3 squared is 9, but then we make it negative because of this one. So we have negative 9. This one is going to be positive 6 plus 1. Those together make 7, and that is negative 2, which is not positive 1, and so we say no on that one. Okay, now we have one more, and we're given y equals x squared minus 2x plus 3, and find the values of x when y equals 2 and y equals 18. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in this 2 for y now. So 2 equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. Since it's quadratic, we need to use quadratic methods. So we subtract 2. X squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. And this one we're going to t-factor. 1 and 1. To make those both negatives, we get x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. We could combine those, rewrite it as x minus 1 squared, or either way, we're going to create x minus 1 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0, add 1, x equals 1. Obviously, this is the same equation, so we'll get the same answer. Okay, so when x equals 1, y equals 2. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to plug in an 18. 18 equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. Once again, since it's quadratic, we need to make one side equal to 0. We'll use t-factoring again. 1 and 15 3 and 5. If we make the 5 negative, the 3 positive, we add up to negative 2. So x plus 3, x minus 5, this is equal to 0. We take both of those, set them equal to 0 individually. So we subtract 3, so x equals negative 3, and we add 5, so x is equal to 5. So we have two different answers. So when x equals negative 3 or positive 5, we'll get y is equal to 18. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.